Alright, so my controller, the analog stick is sticky. It doesn't want to input on going left, and also my A button here, you see, you push it and it gets stuck in place. So my controller needs cleaning here. Likely it's dead skin from my fingers that got stuck in the controller here, but anyhow, I'm gonna go ahead and take it apart here. I've actually done a fix on this controller before. This cable here was very loose and tight, so I used hot glue to glue the port for the USB in place. But now I've got the new problem of the drift and the A button stick. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this apart. And I'll go ahead and start with the screws here. So they've taken out these 5 screws here, and there's one screw hiding behind this logo here. You know, actually, Foxray, it's really a good brand. I've been really pleased with this controller the whole time I've used it. This contaminant issue is caused it recently that my controller hasn't been working properly. And then next is to pry off these little covers here. And just pop off like so. There's one. There's the other one. Okay, now we've got this apart. Alright. Got the panel here. Let's see. Where do I take it apart next? Let me look here for a second. See, there's a screw right here. Let's go ahead and loosen this one up here. Okay, let's see. Alright, this board is, okay, all loose here. Perfect, okay. Now, let's take a look at these buttons here. Put this here. Yeah, got some dirt on here. There it is, the culprit. I don't know if you can see here. It's just this sticky goo that got stuck in between the controller here. So I'm going to go ahead and clean this up here. Got some rubbing alcohol. Just clean, clean, clean. You know, I'm going to do this to all the buttons themselves. And then, well, you can't really see anything, can you? Clean these buttons here, and then clean this area here, and we'll try to put it back together. And of course, I'm going to work on the analog stick too. Yeah, if you look in here too, this channel here where the controller goes up and down, it has gotten dirty too. So we're going to get it all nice and clean. Alright, on the analog stick here, it does have like contaminants on the side here, and some things near the device here. I can't really take this stick off, so I'm just going to try to clean it up the best I can. Hopefully that can help here. Alright, I've cleaned up the components. Now I'll put everything back together. Oops, I accidentally tore this rubber pad for pressing the button. I'll just put it in a location where a button I don't use as often. Hopefully it won't be such a big issue. Hey guys, there's a little toggle switch here that you can push on and off. If you happen to know what this does, let me know. I'm very curious. Screws are back in place. Now the side clip's back on. Okay. Yeah, this screw didn't hold, but I'll put this screw back in. and then, let's see. Okay. A button seems to be working fine. We'll go ahead and test her out.